Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will draw and color this cute pufferfish together. Alright, let's get started with the drawing. The pufferfish is a well-known fish, famous for its ability to puff up its body by swallowing water or air when it feels threatened. When inflated, the pufferfish becomes much rounder and larger, making it difficult for predators to swallow. Pufferfish have big eyes, small fins, and a funny, charming expression. Some species of pufferfish also contain powerful toxins to protect themselves. Although they are not fast swimmers, pufferfish often appear calm and relaxed in their natural environment. Their round shape makes them especially popular in illustration drawings. Now, let's begin coloring. So, we've finished drawing and coloring this pufferfish. Doesn't it look adorable? Follow the channel to continue drawing and discovering more unique and fascinating animals together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching.